Continue. Sif number 2. When a person recites a blessing, his mouth should be free of saliva, and he should not have anything else in his mouth. As it is stated in Tehillim 71:8, my mouth shall be filled with your praise. Okay, let's read the commentary and explain. Number 8. There should be nothing in your mouth other than praise. Okay. See below 50:10. Regarding if one began to eat or drink, and then remember that he did not recite the blessing. So the way I understand that, as we learned before in another group, so we said that so it depends what exactly it is in his mouth, right? And what he, so if he, for example, if he starts drinking and he can spit it out and drink again, right? For example, if he has a glass of water, right, and he took a sip, and now he forgot, he understand that he forgot to say blessing. So if he can spit this water back into the glass, let's say, right, and drink, if he's not like it's your water, if you're not discussing, if you're fine with that, so that's the proper way to do that. If he cannot spit, or there is something like, I don't know, he chewed already, a piece of chicken, right? He took a piece of chicken, so he started chewing, and of course he's not going to spit out and let it. I mean, it's a little gross, so he might swallow it, right? Swallow completely, as Shulchan Kitzur says. Even so, the mouth should be free from saliva, and they say blessing. So basically, that thing was without blessing, right? Whatever he swallowed, and the rest is going to be with blessing. Okay, but if it's a minute amount or whatever, so he can actually spit it out, right? So it's not going to be considered waste. So that's like 3 options.